Now let us see exercise 3.10 first one second question. Now see the question. Solve the following quadratic equations by factorization method. Using the factorization methods, you are going to solve this equation. Okay. So but while you are seeing this equation, you cannot identify this is what type of equation. So then you need to simplify this equation. After simplification only you can identify that is a quadratic equation or not. Okay. So now the given equation is 3 into p square minus 6 is equal to p into p plus 5. Now you are going to simplify. After simplification you can identify that's a quadratic equation or not. Now see the solution. First the given equation is 3 into p square minus 6 is equal to p into p plus 5. Okay, so how to simplify? So this 3 is common for this two terms. Okay, so can you multiply with the inside 3 with the p square after 3 into 6. 3 into p square, you know that 3p square minus 3 into 6, what is it? 18 is equal to, so this p also common for this two terms. So can you multiply p with the p after p with the 5. So p into p square plus 5 into p 5p. Okay, so now you need to arrange it in the same side, this all the terms. Okay, so then 3p square minus 18. So all the terms if you bring it to this side, how it will change? 3p square, here 1 plus p square, if you bring it on this side, so how it will change? Minus p square. Okay, so 3p square minus 1p square, that you know that is 2p square. Next this plus 5p, if you transpose on this side, minus 5p. So the next one minus 18, that constant term. Okay, so all the terms bring it on this left side. So now you have got it. After simplification you have got it 2p square minus 5p minus 18 is equal to 0. Now can you say this what type of equation? This is a quadratic equation. Now the degree is 2. So if you have the quadratic equation using the factorization method, how to solve, we know that. Okay, so can you solve it? So the product sum, this way you can solve it. Now see here the product here, what is it? 2 into minus 18. So here the coefficient of p square with the constant term minus 18. Okay, so 2 with the minus 18, if you multiply means they know that minus 36. Okay, plus and minus mean minus only it will come. So 2 into 18 is 36, plus and minus, that is minus. Okay, so the sum, you know that the in between term, so that means the coefficient of p. So the coefficient of p, what is it? Minus 5. So that is sum. So which two numbers are possible? You know that 36 you have. So first you have to identify the numbers. After you can adjust the minus plus. Okay. So 36 you have. So 9 4s are 9 and 4 means you know the 36. So 9 4. How will you arrange the minus here? While you are multiplying you need to get to minus 36. While you are adding you need to get it minus 5. So the highest power, highest number sign minus if you have means only the addition also the minus it will come. Okay, so then how it will put the minus put it in the biggest number. So minus 9 and plus 4. Now see, minus 9 and plus 4, if you are multiplying you can get it minus 36. 9 4s are 36, plus and minus minus. The next one, while are adding different sign, minus sign and plus sign. So minus sign plus sign mean different sign. While are subtracting you need to get it minus symbol. Okay, so while are subtracting, so if you put it minus here means, so different sign means you have to subtract. So 9 minus 4, that is 5. After biggest number symbol minus. Okay, so then you need to put it the minus in the biggest number symbol only. So this minus if you put it here means you cannot get it the possible numbers. Okay, so now here which two numbers it is possible? Minus 9 and 4 is possible. So the next one, now see that the equation, the coefficient of p square other than 1 you have. Okay, so other than 1 if you have means you need to divide with that number. So which number you have the coefficient? 2. So can you multiply, can you divide the 2? So minus 9 by 2 comma this 4 divided by 2. So minus 9 by 2 cannot cancel, but this you can cancel it or not. Yes, 4 and 2 if you cancel it means you know the 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 2 it will come. So then here the variable is p. So you need to find out the value of p only. So the factors only you need to find out. Okay, so now factors, how will you write? P minus 9 by 2 into p plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so we know that this is a multiplication in between. So this part is equal to 0 or this part is equal to 0. So separately you have to write p minus 9 by 2 is equal to 0 or this part is equal to 0. P plus 2 is equal to 0. So now you are going to find out the p value. P is equal to minus 9 by 2. If you transpose on the right side, you know that that's plus 9 by 2, or p plus 2, that p is p value you need to find out, that plus 2 if you take it on the right side, so you know that the plus 2 it will become minus 2. So now you have got it the p value. Okay, so that is the answer. The roots are p is equal to 9 by 2 and minus 2. So these are the factors. The next question, first one, third question. Okay, so that left hand side, or what equation you have? So root of a into a minus 1 is equal to 3 root 2. Okay, so then root if you have means this side also you have the root, this side also you have the root. If you want to remove this root means what you have to do, make that you have to squaring on both side. Okay, if you have to square, so this left hand side and the right hand side, if you make the square means this square root and this square, it will cancel. Can you understood or not? So that's why for removing the square root only we have squaring on that both sides. Okay, so now here this side making the square and the right hand side also you have to make the square. So now see here, one square root and the square, it will become cancel. Okay, so this square root if you remove means 1 by 2 it will come. So 1 by 2 into 2 means that it will cancel. Okay, so like that only we are cancelling. So now the square root and square you can cancel it. So the remaining part what it will come, a into a minus 1 is equal to, this is two things. Okay, so the 3 into root 2. Okay, so two parts you have. So this square is common for 3 square. After the square is common for root 2 also. So 3 square into root 2 square. Okay, so 3 square means you know that 9 into root 2 square means root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 you know that 2. Can you understood or not? So 9 2s are 18. Like that only you have to simplify. Now you have to write a into a minus 1 because the square and the square root it will cancel. So after cancelling you have got it. What is it? A into a minus 7 is equal to 9 into 2. Okay, so now this a is common for these two terms. Can you multiply a with the a? So a into a square, a 2 times. Okay, so the next one a into minus 7, that is minus 7a is equal to 9 2s are 18. Now this part can you bring it on this side? So a square minus 7a minus 18 is equal to 0. Now you have got the quadratic equation or not? Yes, the quadratic equation how to solve using the factorization, you know that. So now see here the product sum. Product here, what is it? The coefficient with the constant term. The coefficient of a square, that is 1. The constant term, that is minus 18. 1 into minus 18, you know that the product is minus 18. And the sum, the coefficient of a. So the coefficient of a, that is what? Minus 7. So which two numbers are possible? So here 18 you have. So 9 2s are 18, you know that. So if you subtract means 7. Like that you need to arrange it. Okay. So 9 2s are 18. So where you need to put it the minus? The product also minus you have. The sum also minus you have. Okay. So then sum, if you have the minus mean the biggest number you need to put it the minus. Then only the while subtracting the biggest number symbol minus, like that you can get it. Okay. So 9 2s are 18. Now you can put it the minus here. If you put it here minus means it is not possible to get the minus 7. Okay. So now biggest number you can put it the minus. So minus 9 into 2 minus 18 plus 9 2s are 18 minus plus, that is minus. Okay, so the next one, while I adding, you know that different sign, here minus sign, here plus sign. Different sign means subtract and the biggest number symbol. Subtract means you will get the 7, biggest number symbol, that is minus. So these two numbers are possible. Like that you have to arrange the numbers, the minus plus. Okay, so now here the coefficient is 1 only, so no need to divide. Okay, so other than 1 only we need to divide. So here the factors, how will you write? The variable is a. So how to write? A minus 9 into a plus 2. So is equal to 0. Now can you equate? So this in multiplication, so this part is equal to 0 or this part is equal to 0. So a minus 9 is equal to 0 or a plus 2 is equal to 0. Now a is equal to plus minus 9 if you transpose on the right side, you know that that is plus 9, or a is equal to plus 2 if you transpose on that right side, that you know that minus 2. So now what are the factors you have got it? The roots are a is equal to 9 comma minus 2. Okay, so the homework question is exercise 3.10. These are the homework question, the same like this factorization method by splitting the terms. So like that you can do, otherwise this method you can solve. Okay, which is easy to solve the factorization method, you can do it. So that these are the homework questions. Thank you.